And I mean, this is air. Popcorn is mostly air. This is a former police captain. What I have a problem with is that there are so many of these people walking around the world thinking that just because they get offended, you could use your concealed weapon and you could shoot somebody just for making you upset. This is a person who admitted that the cell phone was put away after he went to go talk to the manager. You can't honestly tell me that this former police captain who has seen so much violence in his days in Florida, in Tampa, Florida, is going to be upset and offended and fearing for his life. I would die to cross-examine this guy. It would be amazing,
and
to ask him.
He's not
he
really sealed his own fate. He really sealed his own fate with his comment to the police saying, if I had it to do over again, I wouldn't have done it. That is not what someone who is in lawful self-defense says. Someone in lawful self-defense says, I had to do it. And if it had to do it over again, I would have done it again because at that second, I had to do it. It was him or me. And he says, like, yeah, I made a bad decision. Sealed his own fate in this case.
Right there. Consciousness of guilt.
As I look at that video, the only thing I see are like a couple of arms. You know, I see the arm, I see the popcorn, and then I think I see the bag or the bucket that it's in tossed at him. And then there's this immediate reaction. But let me ask you this. What if this man, he's retired, he's older, it's a dark theater, if he legitimately is confused about what is actually happening and misreads the situation and is making a mistake, but in his mind believes that, oh my goodness, this guy's coming at me. And let's say that the defendant, not the defendant, the victim in the case was standing, and as described by his attorney, 6'4". We never see him in that video, which I think helps prosecutors immensely, but he's 6'4", he's standing, this guy is older. He's now going to be like even older at trial, Brian. I mean, he's been able to delay this thing like 6 years already, right? And this is years ago, this video. So how does that play? Do you think